Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful install featuring westkiss. I'm going to be doing the start to finish unboxing, install, and all of that. And we're going to end up doing this style together. We went ahead and did the wispy baby hair. We tweezed the hairline just a little bit. And we did this beautiful half up, half down. Now we did not bleach the knots. We didn't tint the lace. We kind of just went with a vibe and finessed. And I think we did amazing. So if you're interested in seeing what we did and how we got this look, keep on watching.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. 'Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy, only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time, 'cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time, 'cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be Listen to me as I say, listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening. No, you keep saying you'll change, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone.
Okay, love bugs, so we are back and I am done with this look. I decided to go for like a half up, half down, but with the back I kind of did it where you put the bun in and you stop it or you put the ponytail in, and on that last loop you kind of bring the hair through and you stop like halfway, so it has some fun hair hanging in the back, kind of like the Amy Winehouse look back in the day. I feel like when we describe a look, we reference like a celebrity or a socialite or influencer that has done the look, but for reality we just have all been doing it since the beginning of time. I did go for heavy baby hair on this one. I might regret it and I might go in and cut it shorter. I just, you know, I like to switch it up and give a vibe, so I definitely did the curly baby hair look and trend, and then I just kind of like purposely left it long and then like curled it, and I could kind of like hairspray so that it goes flat like that. I think that would be super fun. I'm not gonna hold it here right now, but you kind of hairspray it and then you kind of like hold it and pin it so that it sets like that, and that is super fun too. Like I can blow dry it and it'll kind of set like that, but I just kind of like the fun wispy situation. Also, because I use so much powder, it does come off a little bit powdery, but it's okay. Kind of the powder will wear off, or like I just added a little bit of hairspray that'll kind of like take away the powderiness and give some color to the look. You guys know me, whatever it is, when I rush into my makeup during the day before I'm leaving, it comes out perfect. When I take my time with my makeup, it always leaves me with my eyes watering. I think I need to switch out my concealer or something because it's like my eyes are permanently irritated. So of course I'm not going to do any lashes for now. But I do love this look. And again, the hair is a beautiful natural wavy texture. Because I did have a pap down, I kind of decided at the last minute not to really go in and curl the hair, even though I had my curling iron heating up. Actually, it's still on. Let me go ahead and turn it off. I was going to use this one, so maybe in a day or two I'll go back in and put some curls in it and see how that goes. But you know, I feel like I do the same looks a lot of times when I do crave switching it up. So I just like how subtly different, and you know, it didn't take me a lot more time, but just doing something different. Center part down with curls. We already know I can do that. Let's just have a little bit more fun with the hairstyles, if you will. So again, this one did come from westkiss, and this is the bag the wig came in. Inside are the wonderful goodies. Got lashes, elastic band. You can actually use this to like lay your hairline, or you can use it inside the wig as an adjustable cap or adjustable strap. Wig caps. And then this appears to be a nice purple bonnet. But what I like about this one is like thick and full. So it's, you know how you put your bonnets on and they kind of give like flat? Because it's so thick and full, this probably won't give thin and flat. So I'm actually going to take this one upstairs and wear this one tonight. And it's reversible, so it's purple on this side. And then is this black or navy blue? It's black on this side. So I'm about to wear this tonight. I'm going to put that on my stairs so I don't forget to take it up to me when I go up later. And then the wig itself is HD lace, a detectable skin melt, transparent HD lace, 22 inches in length, size cap is small, and hair density is 180% density. I think that is definitely true to what I feel this one is. So if you're interested, go ahead and check the description box. You'll be able to find a link to this, as well as everything used in this video. You can go to, I think it's products used or products mentioned, and you'll find like all the hairspray and products and hot tools and everything we use will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.